In today's video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram to keep your account safe and secure. By adding this extra layer of protection, you can protect your account from unauthorized access. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile. From the menu that appears, select Account Center. Now, navigate to Password and Security and tap on it. Here, you'll see the option for two-factor authentication. Tap on it to start the setup process. You'll see two options for enabling this feature: Authentication app, SMS or WhatsApp. For this example, I'll show you how to use the Authentication app method. Choose Authentication app and tap Next. Instagram will generate a setup code. Copy this code. Open the Google Authenticator app. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store. Select Enter a setup key or enter a code and paste the code you copied from Instagram. Google Authenticator will now generate a 6-digit code for your account. Copy this code. Go back to Instagram, paste the 6-digit code into the required field, and tap Next to confirm. This simple setup adds a strong layer of security, ensuring only you can log into your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.